Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R with 5,136 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a keyless ignition, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an extended windscreen and saddlebag mounting racks. Powered by a 1301cc V-twin engine, the Super Adventure puts 160 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Super Adventure has a 220 to 260 mile range. It has a 474-pound wet weight and a 33.5-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the engine guard, a scratch on the hand guards, and a blemish on the lower fairing plastics. This bike has a toolkit, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.